Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Friday. I know, I have two videos today. Last night at 6:30, the UPS truck stopped by my house and dropped off 4 of the brand new, just released, beautiful, gorgeous Viseart Petit 4 palettes. You guys, they're so, one, they're adorable. But 2, these are fabulous. I have been all over Instagram looking at these and obsessing about them ever since the creator of the Viseart brand, Anastasia, started kind of sneaking them over on her Instagram page. And lately they have been showing pictures on like the actual Viseart Instagram. If you're not following them, you should. They will definitely give a lot of sneak peeks of the new products that are going to be released. And these are their newest, and you guys, I love them. And they're 22 bucks each. Now that still seems probably a little spendy for a quad, but if you know about the quality of the Viseart shadows, you know that this is, 1, a pretty darn good deal, and 2, these are such great little travel palettes. I think they're totally worth more than 22 bucks each, but that is the price point. They did also send out this awesome little card where I can tell you the names of all of them. They're obviously listed on the palettes themselves, but it tells you what the finish is. Yeah, so we're gonna use this as our little guide here today as we go through all of these palettes. I had to play with the light just a little bit. There's a lot of sun coming in from over here in this window, so I shut those blinds and just have the ring light in front of me. I hope that this will give you an accurate representation of the colors. I'll do some finger and like arm swatches. I just washed the lotion off of my arm so that you're just getting like straight out of the pan swatches on my arm, so that you can hopefully figure out maybe which one of these, or I don't know, maybe you want all of them, but which one of these you are most interested in. So I totally spaced on using one of these on my eyes this morning while I was getting ready. I used a different eyeshadow palette, but I will be doing tutorials with these now that I know how to edit, which that's fun. I can do tutorials a little bit more easily. So yeah, let's get into it, you guys. I'm going to start with my favorite, and I'm sure you know which one my favorite was gonna be, and it is in fact the Petit 4 in Lilas, which Lila is purple. And so they come in this type of packaging here, so super cute. These are very reminiscent of their Theory palettes, these guys here, but obviously smaller version. So again, great for traveling, nice little magnetic closure there. It's definitely very secure. These are perfect for traveling, you guys. Very secure, but you can also easily depot these, which I really like, and which is actually what I'm going to do with mine, because I do have like this whole Viseart palette here that has all of my Theory palettes in here. So yeah, so I will be depotting these. You guys, this Lila's one, so beautiful. And I'll show you, they're really easy to pop out. So there's a little cutout right here, so you can just stick your finger there and they just pop out, and here you are with your perfect little eyeshadow pan. Obviously you can leave them in here, no big deal, but I do like having that big palette where I can just go between all the different ones and create an amazing eye look. You guys know how I feel about the Viseart formula. They are fantastic, and they're my favorite. They have been for a very long time, and while I also enjoy and love a lot of other eyeshadows, if I could only have one brand of eyeshadow in my collection, in my makeup collection, it would be the Viseart because they're fabulous. Okay, so Lila's has the shades Fondant, which is an iced silver rose with a shimmer finish. Lila's, which is a light muted mauve with a matte finish. Tiramisu, a light cool taupe with a matte finish. And Argentine. I did take a year of French in high school, but I am going to butcher some of these names. I'm just gonna let you know up front. This is a silver with a shimmer finish. You guys, okay, let's do some swatches. I'll do the two shimmers next to each other and then the two purples next to each other. Ooh, buttery, beautiful goodness. Okay, so there are the 4 shades there, and should have thought of this in advance. Let's just do swipe, 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 swipe. Hang on, I didn't get enough of this shade right here. When it's catching my arm hairs, I'm sorry guys. That's the problem here. They're competing with my arm hairs. Sorry, I don't have the most hairy arms, but yeah, you can kind of see. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Okay, the thing about some Viseart shadows is I feel like they don't swatch as well as they actually work on the eyes. And if you've used Viseart before, you know this to be the case. Their shimmer shades swatch beautifully. The mattes, however, don't swatch the best, but they are fabulous in the crease. They just are so easy to work with. They're so blendable. These shadows stay put on me all day, and they stay put like true to color throughout the entire day. There's never any fading with these. Lila's definitely my favorite, and this is the one where if you were to only get one, I would say get Lila's. But if you're gonna get 2, pop this one in there. By the way, I will put links for these down below. This is the Petit 4 in the shade Framboise, which I believe is that raspberry? I think it's raspberry. Ooh, look at these beautiful, shiny, gorgeous shades here. Okay, so in here we have Creme, which is a light beige pink with a matte finish. Glaçage, I know, sorry, which is a pink champagne with a shimmer finish. Confiture, which is a medium pink red with a shimmer finish, and Framboise, which is a soft dusty rose with a matte finish. Okay, so wiping my hands clean, just on a dry towel in front of me, so clean. Let's do the 2 mattes, and then the 2 shimmers. Oh, Framboise, you are gonna be my new best friend. I just know it. Okay, there we go. Shimmers over here, mattes over here. Oh, stupid arm hairs. Oh, I'm not gonna shave my arms. That's not something I'm gonna do. Okay. Oh, okay, first off, these should all just go in one palette together immediately, and they would live the happiest life together. Oh, they're so pretty. I cannot wait to show you guys some looks with these. They're so beautiful. Now, if you are not a pinky, cool-toned girl like I am, this arm right here is gonna be for you guys. So, here we have the Petit 4 in the shade Chocolat, or Chocolat, yeah, there we go. Again, same great packaging. Love these colors. So pretty. Oh, these are pretty. These are actually really pretty. Look at that. Okay, so Chocolat has Cafe Creme, which is a terracotta nude with a matte finish. Peches, which is peaches, I think. Rose Gold Nude with a shimmer finish. Orange Sanguine, which is a orange copper with gold reflectivity, and Ganache, which is a milk chocolate brown with a matte finish. Ooh, you warm tone people are gonna love this Ganache, I can already tell. Okay, 2 mattes. Oh, that's a beautiful brown. I don't love brown, but that is a beautiful brown. And this copper shade, all of these, they're so pretty. Okay, 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you like how I have to count? Oh, there's the Oprah. You can see I'm very pale, so I have translucent skin this time of year. So that is the Chocolat. And then the very last one is the Praline, which if you like more like just neutral tones, Praline is gonna be your bestie. So in here we have Sucre, which is a warm brown with a shimmer finish. Caramelise, which is a warm champagne with a shimmer finish. Praline, which is an antique gold with a shimmer finish. And Pecan, which is a sienna brown with a matte finish. These are really pretty too. All right, I'm gonna have to get all of the chocolat off here. These are pigmented. Wow, they're pigmented. A couple of these are actually staining my fingers a little bit. Oh, those are gonna be so pretty on the ice. Okay, 2. Well, actually in here, there's only 1 matte. That's interesting. But let's do these beautiful shimmer shades. Oh, yes. I am actually way more excited about these neutral and warm palettes than I thought I would be. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I think a lot of people are gonna like this one. That light. Okay, let's see if that helps. Wow. See, and I feel like all of these belong in a palette together. But it is nice that she chose to do like these smaller palettes so that you could really, pick your faves, obviously. You guys, these are stunning. They are absolutely beautiful. So here is Chocolat and Praline next to each other for reference. Here is Framboise. Framboise and Lilas together. Like these they belong in the same palette, don't they? I mean, that's beautiful. And then all of them, I'll post a picture of these on my Instagram too. Wow, I'm really sucking at this today. You guys, go over to my Instagram. I'll show you guys some close-ups over there, but they're stunning. They're stunning and they're 22 bucks. This would be a fantastic little stocking stuffer. This would just be a great little, like if you wanted to get a girlfriend each one of these or do little duos. I just think they're so cute for the holidays coming up. And for 22 bucks, I feel like that's a pretty darn good deal. So a big, huge thanks to the Viseart team for sending these out so that I could share them with you guys and so that I could get these on my eyes and start showing you guys some looks because I love these Viseart shadows. Basically, almost all of the Viseart that I have in my collection are palettes that I've purchased myself. Viseart is very generous and will occasionally send me new stuff to share with you guys. But I would, and I've told you this time and time again, hands down repurchase any of my Viseart shadows if I dropped one and shattered it, especially the Grand Pro one. That is a go-to for me. And I will never be without that particular one. I hope I didn't get eyeshadow on my forehead. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in for this video. If you are interested in these, again, go check out my Instagram. I'll give you some nice close-ups over there in some natural light that will hopefully give you a more accurate representation of what these colors really look like. I know a couple of you had mentioned that on the Viseart Instagram that it was a little bit hard to tell with a few of the shades, but I can tell you just having seen them in person, they're beautiful. So yeah, there you guys go. Happy Friday. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.